To a lot of people, dentures don't mean a whole lot, but for me, it really changed my whole life. My name's Troy King. I've been dealing with bad teeth for a couple of years now since I was working at a chef and my top teeth got knocked out. Ever since then, I haven't smiled, didn't really talk to many people because of my teeth. We struggled for the longest time. And then finally, late last year, we had a really big break. My family had told me that, it's a fresh start. Let's try something for you instead. What would you want to do? So I told them, I was like, I want new teeth. I want something that's going to last forever. And my teeth is one of those things. As soon as I met Dr. Rob, he was real friendly, sat me down, explained to me exactly what was going on and what would need to be done. He had no second guesses. I love everyone that works here. Since day one, they treated me like family, not just another random patient that just walked through the door. They take extra care of their patients. They do it case by case. They went above and beyond my expectation. And I recommend it to so many people, my friends, my family. And ever since I've had my dentures, I've had my confidence back. I have a big old smile on my face. My kids, they just love the fact that I can actually go out in the world and smile again. And to a lot of people, dentures don't mean a whole lot, but for me, it really changed my whole life. And I'm so glad for Dr. Rob and his team. They changed my life for the better.